Hello, New School Payload here, and today I'll be doing a little different video for you guys. I'll be doing a review on this old build kit that came out in 2001. I just finished building it just now. So yeah. This is pretty rough. The name of it is Great Mazinger. I'm butchering the name, but yeah. Here's the box. It's the old 2001 Bandai kit. This is from a 1972 to 74. This one was 74 to 75 series of the anime and the manga too. So yeah. This is actually a very cool older model kit. There's some problems with it because this is a 2001 set compared to something like this that came out 2015 or so. You use screws. That's 2 screws up here, 2 screws in the knee up here. And there's 2 screws, a bolt and a screw in the chest. No, the stomach area. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off because this is a accessory. Yeah, same with this. So yeah, here's a close-up look at it. Oh god, no. Yeah, that's some of the problems I have with this. But there's some small details, like right here should be gray. Up here should be black. But yeah. So, it definitely looks pretty cool for an older mech series. I'm watching the old mech series again. I grew up with, or at least with a newer version of Speed Racer. Amazing series. I grew up with a newer version of it, but Speed Racer came out in the 60s, 70s. Yeah. The ball jointed head. This is how far you can go forward, backwards, side to side, and also can go all around. Full rotation up here. Some up and down movement on the arm. Single elbow bend. And twist, but it'll come out. The hands are rubber. Up. Down, it's a ball joint. You can take it apart. The cool thing about this is the chest. A bend up here, bend down here. Ab crunch, full ab crunch down here. Full backwards crunch. Knees all the way out from right here. Bend at the knee. God damn, see? Falls apart. Some movement in the wrist. How far you can go down. And to side, down. But yeah, pretty cool. Old set. The only problems are it's an old set. And the way that was for mine, it falls off. This is a 2001 set, so yeah. Look what this arm is taken. But I'll show you that in the accessories. So there you go. These are the normal close the fist hands. Okay, guys. So yeah, here's all the accessories. 2 swords. Not colored, but you probably will have to color them. His wings. Pretty cool colors. Red and yellow and white. Old McDonald colors. This is the smaller ship. It goes inside right here in his head. Multiple different hands. Right pointing finger. 2 grabbing hands. I mean, kind of loose. These are rubber, so yeah. 2 holding hands. 2 pieces to take it off to have the swords. In the anime, I haven't seen this, and this is one I'll be showing you later. This fist will be going on this hand. It is a pain to do this, so that's why I took off the wing. Good. Okay. Shoots out the fist, just like in the anime. Decently good for a good set. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, there were stickers, sticker sheets to this. These 2 I didn't use, just the eyes are stickered and this green piece is a sticker. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.